Having trouble with mobile data not working in your Samsung phone? It's important to fix this because without mobile data, you can't stay connected on the go. Don't worry, here are simple step-by-step solutions to get your mobile data working again. Let's get started right away. Open dialer, type star hash 4636 hash star hash star. Tap phone information, scroll down, just disable mobile radio power. After that, turn it back on. Now check your issues. If you still have issues, try the following process. Solution 1. Change mobile network settings. Open settings, tap connections, then tap mobile networks, then tap network mode. Make sure to select 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G. Now go back, tap network operators, toggle on the select automatically. Solution 2. Turn on and off the network operators. Open setting, tap connection, scroll down, tap mobile network, tap network operator, turn it off, wait for some time. After that, turn it back on. After that, go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. And that's it. If you're still having problems, reach out to your SIM provider for help. I hope this fixes your issue. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.